If you want to know how to create a holiday email campaign that actually converts and fast, this is the only tutorial you need. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to build a high converting holiday email campaign without wasting time. And by the end, you'll know how to structure, write, and schedule a full campaign using the same process I use across multiple platforms. Stick around to the end. I'll share a simple tweak that could double your open rates and engagement. I've tested all the popular email platforms out there, everything from MailChimp to Klaviyo to ConvertKit, and the one we're using today offers a free trial exclusively for viewers of my channel. You'll find that link in the description if you want to follow along as we go. Let's dive in. Start by choosing one clear goal. Do you want to drive sales? Increase traffic to a landing page? Promote a seasonal offer? Pick one. A focused campaign converts better than a scattered one. Next, segment your audience. Don't blast the same message to everyone. Create segments based on past purchases, activity, or interest. A personalized email always outperforms a generic one. Now craft your subject line. Make it emotional, urgent, or curiosity-driven. Think, only 48 hours left, your holiday gift is inside, or you forgot this in your cart. Test a few variations if your software allows A/B testing. Onto the body. Keep it short and skimmable. Start with a strong hook, show them what's in it for them, and make your offer stand out with a bold CTA. Use buttons, not just links. Visuals help, but don't overload it. One goal, one message. Time your emails strategically. Start with a teaser 7 days before the holiday rush. Then follow up with a main offer email and a last chance reminder just before the deadline. 3 well-timed emails beat 7 sloppy ones. Use urgency. Holidays are built for urgency. Limited stock, shipping cutoffs, one-day only deals. But be honest about it. Fake scarcity kills trust and conversions. Add social proof. Highlight customer reviews, most popular gift badges, or recent buyer activity. These boost credibility and reduce hesitation. Make sure your email looks great on mobile. Over 70% of people check emails on their phones. Our software has built-in responsive design, so what you build looks good everywhere: desktop, tablet, and mobile. Last thing, test everything. Subject lines, send times, CTA placement. The software we're using makes it easy to run split tests, even on small lists. Now for your key takeaway: the best holiday email campaigns don't feel like ads, they feel like gifts. Focus on value, personalize the message, and time it right. Quick recap. Choose a clear goal, segment your audience, craft irresistible subject lines, write concise body copy with 1 CTA, schedule 2 to 3 strategic emails, use urgency, add social proof, optimize for mobile, and test everything. If you're ready to build your own campaign, I highly recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's the same software I use, and it'll save you time while boosting conversions. Thanks for watching. Now go turn that holiday traffic into real results.